There you go. Hey, so this is not a gardening video. I wanted to make this kind of like another epic gardening video with the drone coming down from the sky and showing the beautiful snow. And then I realized sometimes you just got to get stuff done. And this is one of those getting stuff done videos, because out there, oh, there is a whole nother garlic bed that needs to be planted. And it's under about 4 inches of snow. So, not a big theatrical video, but if you want to come along for the ride, we got to plant garlic in snow. Ready? Here we go.
Make, fix, grow, cook. GardenFork.
Did I tell you I can't find my snow boots either? So, chainsaw boots work. But look at this. Who hasn't cleaned up the garden yet? This is the tastiest kale, is the kale after your frost. It makes it sweeter. So, that bed has been planted. This bed needs this, which is the German white. That's the Russian red in there. I got this all from Fedco, fedcoseeds.com. They're great people. So I'm gonna try and skim the snow off and then put this in. And I forgot the tripod. So, but I'll go get that with my tools, garden tools. So just gotta clean all this stuff off. All right, it's not frozen yet. Oh, look at this. Some garlic from last year. So I just gotta get this snow. Ooh, that's hard. Oh man. Oh man. So I guess I can punch through this and plant the garlic. Oh, here we go. So if you watched our other video about actually planting garlic using the Back to Eden method, which is that bed there. What am I going to say next? The video will be at the end of this video and in the show notes. But this is a mound of the leaf compost I got from my super great neighbor who doesn't want his name used. So we call him Mr. Mow Your Lawn. And I got this big pile of it. And it's kind of, I don't think I can spread this out. The idea was to spread out compost and then wood chips and then drop the garlic in, but then it snowed. I mean, it is the end of November. I was like, I was running a little late, let's just say politely. So I think I can plant in this fairly flat area here, and maybe we'll have to disregard the giant lump. That's kind of funny. To deal with that big lump, I got an idea. I mean, GardenFork's all about, hey, let's try this and see what happens. So we're gonna see what happens. Hello? You don't want to help me in the garden? Don't look in the greenhouse. I said don't look. Shovel, let's see what happens. This little greenhouse I have a little video about that, of course. We'll link below for that one. I can't find my rake. Maybe I left it out here. Under 4 inches of snow. So this is a tool of choice. You should keep one of these, by the way, a flat metal shovel with a D handle in your car all winter. Keep it in the back, tie it with a bungee cord, because you never know when you're going to need one of these, whether you're planting garlic or digging yourself out of a snow pile. But no, seriously, what are they, 20 bucks? Go buy one. So this is the compost from my neighbor and excellent friend, who helps me a lot, by the way. This could be a new cardio thing. Frozen compost shoveling. Anyway, almost done. All right, so that's all chopped up. If you watch the real video about that bed and the Back to Eden gardening, wave to the neighbor. Now we put a layer of wood chips on here, but there's a rub with that. My wood chips, a trailer full of them, are up in my garage, hooked up to my quad, and there's snow all over the ground here. So I don't know if the quad can get through this, but if it could, we could get wood chips on here, drop our garlic through, and we'd be like I knew what I was doing or something. How unusual. And I might find my metal rake up there and we could smooth that out. I bought some new toys. I got a concrete slab. I have a concrete floor in my garage. I've been saving up for this for years. This is thanks to you guys who support the GardenFork videos through Patreon and watching the ads and using our Amazon links, which of course will be under the video. And I got a toolbox, but let me show you where my wood chips are. Okay, don't look at that bench. Look here. Oh, here's my rake. Oh man, these are, well, they're kind of frozen, but all right, let's see what happens. This actually looks like I know what I'm doing, but I'm surprised we got this far, but let's see if we can finish. And can we get this back out of here? I gotta do something with those wood chips. Do you want some wood chips? Call me. These are some that I got at the fermentation festival in Great Barrington, Mass. They look similar, but I was going to plant these too and see if they're like the German hardnecks. Overmead gardens. So what I've noticed here in this raised bed, which is falling apart, by the way, it's frosted. Hold on. This dirt here is a lot harder than this dirt here, so it's freezing from the outside in. So I'm going to plant in here and avoid this. And I was going to rebuild this bed before I put the garlic in, but guess what happened? Not unusual for GardenFork and Eric. But we got it in. We're going to get it done. We're almost done. Planting it is the easy part. Getting it here was harder. All right. All right. can we get this out of here by going that way? Cross your fingers.